Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show how to change the SIM card in your iPhone. So, let's start the video. Removing and replacing the SIM card in your iPhone is easy. Just follow the steps. Before you start, you need the SIM eject tool that came with your iPhone for a paper clip. It's also a good idea to find a flat, clean surface to work on. These instructions cover any iPhone the uses of nano SIM card. First, look at the SIM tray. It has a small hole and move in the left and right side on your iPhone, depending on which model you have. Then insert the SIM eject tool or paper clip into the hole on the tray and firmly push it in towards the iPhone, and the tray pops open. If you have any difficulty ejecting the SIM tray, research to Apple Store to help. Pull the tray out and move the SIM card. When putting a SIM card back into the tray, make sure you line up the notch in the corner of the SIM card with the notch in the tray. Only sit on way. Once the SIM card is in place, insert the tray into the iPhone completely. In the same orientation you removed it. The tray only sits on way and you should only use the SIM tray that came with your iPhone. There might be additional on-screen steps to follow from here, and then your iPhone will be ready to go. For more helpful steps like this, subscribe to Apple Info channel. Thank you.